Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you a bit of a collective haul. I am sharing with you things that I picked up at the Sephora VIB Rouge sale. Shipping took extra long because it does. And I'm also going to be sharing with you a couple of products that have been sent over via PR since I tested the Jamarini skincare management system. I am sitting on a ton of product to test. I have a healthy, very healthy mix of products ranging from clean beauty to just regular beauty here with you all. I also did a bit of a try on all, not all, but some of the products that I picked up during the sale. So you'll be able to check the products out in action. I thought that that would be really, really fun. Before we begin with today's video, I'd love to welcome everyone who has recently subscribed to my channel. Welcome, my name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have yet to subscribe. Be sure to follow me on all of my other social media platforms. I will link those down below for you. To apologize if it is extra loud. It's windy outside and yeah, it's just windy. I am going to start with the Sephora products and I'm just really excited to share. Since I tried some of the products on today, I will kind of be giving you a bit of a first impressions. I picked up the Cosis Cloud Set Baked Setting and Smoothing Powder. Since I first recorded a video using my newer lights, I noticed how just shiny I was. And I'm sorry if any of you all found that offensive. I just didn't realize how bright these lights were going to be. So I'm like, okay, so I need a powder. So I was going to pick up the Charlotte Tilbury powder in a mini size. Then I saw that this was a new release. I read the reviews and someone whose review still stands out to me now says, if you have the Charlotte Tilbury powder in your cart, forget it, just pick this up and you are going to be a-okay. First of all, love the packaging. I already dug my fingernail in this. Of course I would. So it looks like this now. I think I dug my fingernail after I did the product shot. So far, I think the color match is spot on. I used it with this brush from Hourglass. And you guys, I think this may be my favorite item from the haul. I feel like it's so finely milled and it really just kind of mattifies and diffuses the look of pores. I think this may be my favorite purchase. I picked up the shade Comfy, which is a sheer medium, and I am wearing the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation today, and I feel like it's a really good match. This may be my favorite product of the haul. Hope I'm not having a reaction to anything. Sorry, I'm a little bit itchy here. Next up, I have the Cosis Brow Pop Dual Action Defining Pencil. I picked mine up in the shade Dark Brown. So this is the packaging, and this is the actual product. I think it being squared really threw me off a little bit. And this is a triangular kind of pencil as well. I've never used a pencil like this before, so I'm gonna have to learn how to work with this. So far, I think the color is a good match, but it being in a triangle shape is really kind of throwing me off, and this being a square is really throwing me off as well. So far, I think the color works nicely, and it's very, like, as far as depositing color, it does it really, really well, effortlessly, very easily. And unlike the Rowan Beauty Vow Brow, I feel like this one just kind of melts over the skin, whereas the Rowan Vow Brow is definitely drier. I did see that ColourPop recently launched a few brow products, so I don't know if I want to do a side-by-side there. So far, I'm I need to learn how to work with this shape. So we'll see how much I like this. As far as packaging, I think it's very innovative and very Cosis. I think, yeah, very Cosis. Next up, I do have the packaging. This here is beautiful as well. This is the Cosis Air Brow Fluff and Hold Treatment Gel. I picked up the shade Clear because during the Sephora sale, or the tinted version of this was either sold out. I like the packaging here as well. I like the size of the wand compared to the Milk Makeup one. I feel like the wand here might be a little bit larger, and it does kind of crunch up the brows. I did apply it earlier, and so far I think I like this. I may actually go on the Cosis website and pick up the colored one, just because I feel like that one has fibers, so it's going to just add on to the brow. But so far I like this. Something that had been sitting on my cart for a while, but I never really finalized the sale because I was waiting for this. The IB Rouge sale is the Bite Beauty Upswing Full Volume Mascara. So this is what the packaging looks like, and this is the actual unit. I don't know if you can tell, but I like how this is holding a curl so far. I don't know about the wand. I have been loving the Ilia Mascara. I did a Ilia versus Cosis kind of comparison review, which I will list up above. And there I noted that the Ilia brush was not my favorite, but the formula I loved. And the Cosis, the wand, was my favorite, but the formula was a little clumpy and it kind of flaked towards the end of the day. Now, this is what the Bite Beauty wand looks like. And I'm like, oh man, this is big. But so far, I like that the brow or the lash is holding a curl. I just have to play with this a little bit more because I find that sometimes mascaras, with time or with use, the formula just gets better and better. Not with all mascaras, but I have a feeling that might happen with this. So I might do a side-by-side between this and the Ilia or this and the Cosis just to see which one I prefer. Let me know if you would like to see a video like that in the comments down below. But so far, I am liking this. And next up, I do have the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lip Kit. This was $25. I've never purchased anything by Charlotte Tilbury, but I wanted to give it a go. And this is the lip combo that I am wearing on the lips right now. It is a mini. So far, I like the formula of the lip pencil. I also like the color as well. I paired the look with the Tower 28 Magic Hour blush, which really does have like the same tone as this lip combo. I did have an issue with the, I don't know if you can tell, but the actual lipstick was like jammed into the top. And it is very, very small. But let's be honest, we're still wearing masks here in California, and I think they're gonna the CDC is gonna update their guidelines, you know, from the day that I'm filming this tomorrow. So we'll see what the mask mandate will be. But I can't say I've ever finished an entire lipstick. So I decided to just pick up the minis here to see how I like the formula, and so far I like. There is a little bit of a scent to the lipstick, which you can only smell if you're actually smelling the stick, but not when it's applied over the lips. I really like the color. So we'll see if I ever purchase this again. So far I am liking it. The price point, it feels a little bit high for the amount of product that you're getting, but it is Charlotte Tilbury, and apparently she's amazing. So I just wanted to give her products a go. Next up, I have the Ilia Blue Light Filter Mist. This has a number of, I don't know if it's like essential oils. Hopefully not. This is supposed to protect against blue light. This is what the unit looks like. The spray or the mist in this is amazing. But after using it, I realized that the finish was quite dewy. So it kind of defeated the purpose of using this lovely, lovely powder. We'll see how this goes. I feel like I may want more of a matte finish, but I do go back and forth with that. So far, I think the mist is lovely. We'll see how my skin does with this, considering I had a pretty terrible reaction to a Milani setting spray due to the ingredients there. So stay tuned for an update, maybe in a favorites video. I did pick up the Way Super Dry Shampoo as well. I haven't used the Way dry shampoo since they had the old fragrance in this. And my hair doesn't need dry shampoo right now, so I didn't give it a go. But I think this now has a scent of Melrose Place, which I find refreshing and lovely. I was kind of on the fence of whether purchasing this or the Moroccan Oil dry shampoo, but I went with the Way dry shampoo instead. I recently got my hair done after not having it done for nearly a year. And my hairstylist used something from Moroccan Oil, and it just reminded me of the scent, and it took me back so long. I used to use the Moroccan Oil when I was much younger, and it took me back, and I was like, oh, maybe I should get that one instead. I also picked up the Moon Juice Super U Daily Stress Management supplement. I am already using a newer unit that I just picked up, but I wanted to take advantage of the sale and pick up a new unit since I love this supplement so much. So far, Super U is the supplement for me. Again, I am not a doctor, but I just feel like this does treat me very well. This is from Ulla Henriksen, their Banana Face Primer. Now, I love Ulla. They send over their PR in like the tiniest packages. Like, they do not waste anything. So kudos to them for that. So they sent over the Banana Bright Face Primer. I feel like this is perfect for anyone who needs additional moisture, anyone with dull skin who just needs some luminosity, anyone also dealing with hyperpigmentation might benefit from this, as this does have a little bit of a yellow tint to it. So thank you so much to Ulla for the Banana Bright Face Primer. So this is a limited edition product. This is the Sweet Apple Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. The packaging is really fun. And this comes in a tub. And I love that they always include a spatula. Oh, and this is colored. Oh, this smells really cute. Very fresh, especially for the season. I am currently using the Paula's Choice Balm, and that one is really nice on the skin. I love that it comes in a tube. You can see me talk about it in my favorites video. I'm sorry, I'm having a tough time closing this, which I will link up above in case you missed it. But this smells divine. Limited edition sweet apple scented version of our best-selling Green Clean Cleansing Balm. Oh, this 2-layered formula has a vibrant pink toned surface with a golden yellow core. I love like warm colors like this. So thank you so much, Farmacy, for this lovely package. I will be sure to use this soon. I have something new from H2O. I already kind of dug into this. This is their Neck and Decollete Cream. So this is from their Hydration Age Renew range. Oh, I will be sure to put this into use because I feel like my neck really needs some more plumping, diffusing of the fine lines. Their packaging is always really beautiful. It's glass, there's some weight to it. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is There's a bit of a scent to this. I can't quite describe it. So let's test it. I have a bronzer here, but there's a little sparkliness to the formula as well. We'll have to start using this tonight. Oh, so it gives the skin a very healthy glow. Wow, look at that. It's pretty. There is a bit of a scent to it, but this is going to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, improve in skin crepiness. Love it. And this is supposed to go hand in hand. Oh, I also forgot I have that eye cream. I have so many products that I need to test. I am falling behind. Next up, I have a lovely care package from New Face. They sent over the New Face Trinity Advanced Facial Toning Device. And I have been putting off testing this. I've been sitting on this for a while, but I really just wanted to stay true to the skincare management system review. So I am going to make an effort to start testing this week. So included within this kit is their facial trainer, leave-on gel primer, user manual, quick start guide, charging cradle, and power adapter. So that's what that looks like. I need to test this ASAP because this is something I've been meaning to purchase on my own, and I'm very, very appreciative that New Face sent this over to me. They sent it over with like this super cool headband and a fragrance. So I am going to do a video, a full dedicated video on that. So make sure you stay tuned for that. This feels kind of very rushed. Let's talk about the New Face system though. Let's see what's up with that. New Face, is that sold at Sephora? New Face. Yes, it sure is. Facial toning device. This is an advanced microcurrent facial toning device that improves the look of skin's contour, tone, and fine lines and wrinkles. This is an FDA clear device that gently stimulates the larger surface areas of your face and neck with microcurrents that improve the look of the face contour, tone, and fine lines and wrinkles in as little as 5 minutes a day. I really want to get the red light attachment. How much is that one? That one, the Wrinkle Reducer Trinity attachment. It's out of stock, but I really want to start getting into red light therapy. This is perfect if you are concerned with fine lines and wrinkles, loss of firmness, and elasticity and puffiness. If anyone is puffy, it is me. Out for a video on the New Face toning device. I want to say in about a month and a half. Hopefully my filming schedule permits. I know I do have a ton of product to review and I'm working on it, trust me. So I will try to push that out to you all very, very soon. So that is all I have for this kind of Sephora sale PR haul video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Let me know if you would like to see a specific review on any of the products mentioned in the comments down below. Thank you all so much for spending some time with me today, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye. Toby's up now. Sephora /PR sale hug haul.